What if your signature could look this professional? In this video, you are getting 5 stunning signature designs for the letter E, and I'll break down the simple secrets to creating each one. We are creating styles from elegant and powerful to quick and artistic. The final design of Elodie is incredibly unique, so don't miss it. First, an elegant and flowing design of Elena. Watch how the capital E starts with a confident loop and connects seamlessly to the rest of the name. The key is maintaining a single graceful rhythm throughout. Next, a bold and modern signature of Ethan. This style uses sharp, clean lines and strong letter C, horizontal underline to create a powerful, confident look. For a dynamic and angular style, let's look at Emre. This design uses sharp angles instead of curves of letter E, MRE in a compressed form, giving it modern architectural feel, perfect for a strong statement. Number 4 is an artistic and compact design of Esha. Here the E is written with 3 loops and SHA are woven together tightly, creating a beautiful, intricate pattern that's full of personality. And finally, my personal favorite of Elodie. This is on all about unique flourishes of letter E in an artistic style. Watch how the accent of E becomes a part of the design and the ending flourishes frame that entire name beautifully with the underline. So, which of these 5 styles of E is your favorite? The elegant Elena or the bold Ethan? Tell me your choice in the comments right now, and if you want me to design your name, just drop it below. If you want to master every letter, make sure to subscribe right now because next we're tackling the letter F. Thanks for watching.